Hey girls, today I'm going to say something most women don't want to hear. If he says he's too busy, he's not busy. He's just not prioritizing you. Yes, there's a difference. A man can be busy and still text you, busy and still plan to see you, busy and still make you feel secure. When a man wants you, you feel it. When he doesn't, you feel confused. And confusion, that's your first red flag. Let me ask you something. Is he busy 24 hours a day? No one is too busy for someone they truly desire. People make time for what matters. If he has time for Instagram, for his friends, for watching football, but not for you, you are not a priority. He's stressed. He has work pressure. He's going through something. Okay, maybe. But when a man values you, even during hard times, he protects the connection. He doesn't leave you guessing. Some women are placeholders, temporary comfort, emotional support, convenience, until he finds the one he truly fears losing. Don't be the for now girl. Be the step up or set aside woman. Don't complain. Don't beg for attention. Don't send paragraphs explaining your feelings. Just pull your energy back. Match his effort. If he gives 20%, give him the same percentage. If he disappears, you become unavailable. Silence reveals everything. A man who cares will notice. A man who doesn't will fade. And that tells you everything you need to know. You don't chase someone who sees your value. You don't convince someone to choose you. If he's unsure about you, let him lose you, because the right man is never confused about the woman he wants. If this hit a little too close to home, like this video and welcome to Sarah's Secrets.